Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in the hazy glow.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly, on the channel Simply Holly, and it is, what day is it? It's 28th of August and we're about to go out to the sea and sand, and I need to go put my bikini on, so bye.
Long run now, red Corvette and my drop top down, calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone, falling and I'm a whip, yeah, out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah, I still ball in the pitch, yeah.
I have like another bunch of jellyfish underneath me, which is weird. but vlog bro, I can't get it further enough away. No! Oscar, that's freaky. Underneath, I've been told by my mum, my dad and my brother, that I can drown in. I'm just, trust me, I'm not. What?
I just took like 3 jellyfish to get stung.
Oh! Hi, it's been a long time since I last vlogged, but we're now walking to Croatia. I think I said it right that time. I really don't know. I haven't vlogged once while we've been in this restaurant, but I had a pizza and chips, and I really, no. Oh, it was like castle thing. It's got like a bar on the top. It's so cool. Failed again. This would be years before we use them from the railings, but you have to have that there, otherwise it would fall off. From the beach, Virgin, clearly, which sounds so funny. What's up? Vlogception! On a kayak. We're just out kayaking. This is the next day of the vlog, clearly, and yeah, it was good. I mean, my eyes are so swollen. Like, what the hell is it? Very bikini. I'm ready for tonight. I was just put my hair into a ponytail, but to make the ponytail more intricate, I did a little plait at the top, and I really don't know how I'm feeling about it, but we'll do, it'll do. I've also done my makeup anyway, but yeah, we're ready. We had a really good day at the sea. We kayaked this morning, like I said, and that was fun. Yum! Nom nom nom! Oh, very nice. There's a blackbird over there. Oh, it's good.
I've got your steak now, she has.
Oh. Now we're just sitting here at this restaurant, chilling like a villain.
Oh, whale as a fireman. Was 5 meters.
Mother, what are you doing?
Yeah. Flexing some.
Hi, this is the end of the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to get a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I did get a bit lazy on the end of this vlog for some reason, and it didn't vlog as much, but we're all quite tired anyway. I'm on my last day in Croatia, and this is my second vlog, and I have one more coming up, and I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video. And also, I spoke weird about that clip because I got my retainers in. Bye.